So the quickest way to create a bootable pen drive for your macOS. So the process is already running on my side. So let me show you. Okay. So just type on macOS download and go to this link. Okay, for my terms I'm gonna download Big Sur. Okay, so it will gonna pop up the app store, and here you can see the Mac OS Big Sur. So let's run the gate, and okay, it's searching for it. Okay, so currently I'm on Ventura, but okay, so because I have already downloaded it, so for your case I'm going to show you another one. Okay, so let me turn on the Monterey. Okay, so here you can see you already have the Monterey download. So in my case I have already downloaded it. So after downloading you will get this icon, so let it rest there, and after that we have to plug your pen drive and then go to the command line. Okay, so for my case my one is already running, or if you don't know, let me show you a clear one, a quick one. This is really quick. So on your finder you have to go to your applications and just drag and drop it on the terminal. Okay, as you can see already the path is created there. So one thing, you have to write sudo first, then you can drag and drop there. So let's write sudo. Okay, so here it's done, and then I'm gonna put it in the description, or you can follow me here. Contents. Okay, so you don't have to write fully. You can tap on the shift. Okay, just see, tapping on the shift is takes the file or the directory name. Okay, so it's make thing easy, and then I have to then again tab. As you can see, it's taking on those files, and /create again, all done. Really easy. Okay, so I have to write volume, then again the icon of the pen drive. Okay, so in your case the name could be different, don't worry, just drag and drop, all done, and hit enter. After hitting enter you will be asked for the password, and after that it will start its process. So in on part you will have to press yes. Okay, so that line if you wish to continue. Okay, that's all. Thanks.